Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Samsung Galaxy A15. So in the first open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. If you want to send your message for free, there you have your free kits banner. Click on the plus and choose search your document. Just pick your photo and click on the import. Now you can add this shape to your document or the picture. And then you can choose a file for your photo to make it more visible. If you already click on the accept icon, choose secondary from the list and type the number in this place. After that, just click on this button to send the message. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.